Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have your sheet open. Select the numeric cells you want analyzed, for example A2, A25. Next, choose the correct function, stdev, P for a full population, stdev, S for a sample. This matters for denominator bias. Once done, clear non-numeric cells or convert text to numbers, otherwise functions return errors or wrong results. Make sure headers aren't included in the range, and keep a copy of the raw data or a backup sheet before you change anything. Now enter the formula in an empty cell. Type equals stdev. S A2, A25 for a sample or equals stdev. P A2, A25 for a population. If your numbers span multiple columns, include them separated by commas like A2, A10, B2, B10. Once the formula is in place, press enter and inspect the result. Make sure the result matches your expectations by checking a small manual calculation. If any blanks or text remain, wrap the formula in IFRR to avoid. Finish by validating the output. Sample a few values and compute variance manually to confirm the result. This shows you why the formula output is correct. If the number looks off, inspect cells for hidden spaces, text, or non-breaking characters that break numeric parsing. Make sure decimals use the expected delimiter. When issues persist, apply value or clean to suspect cells, then recalculate. If necessary, recopy the cleaned range to a new sheet to isolate remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.